Hi everyone, this is Hamza from UnlockBoot, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to reset your Apple AirPods. Now the first thing you should know is that you may want to reset your Apple AirPods for a number of reasons. Either one of the AirPods is unresponsive or maybe you aren't getting the sound quality you'd like. So the first thing you have to do is flip the lid and you'll see that it'll show that these AirPods are currently connected. So if you want to reset these AirPods, all you have to do is flip the case, and on the back side you should see this small circular button. Now to reset your Apple AirPods, you need to press and hold this button for around 8 to 10 seconds, and this is what we'll do. Okay, so I have the AirPods in my hand and now I am pressing the button. As you can see, the light has started flashing white, and we have to keep holding the button until it shows up as red. Almost there. There we go. The lights turn red and release. Alright, now I'll open the lid again, and as you can see, the Apple AirPods have been reset and they're ready to be connected to a new pair of AirPods or to your own existing AirPods. So that's all there is to the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.